Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to the series of the lectures of Intermediate First Year Maths A. We have been discussing the different concepts of trigonometric ratios up to transformations till now. We have started with the basic definition till the last, in the last session we have done this transformation initial question, right. With the basic of that, let us solve more questions of transformation, okay. Let us start. See here, the question given here it is cos A plus cos B minus cos C is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2, right. Now, we have to take this LHS. Now, we will take LHS as cos A plus cos B minus cos C, right. Do we have the formula of cos A plus cos B, right? That is nothing but our general formula, that is cos C plus cos D, isn't it? This is cos C plus cos D, which is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2, right. Cos C minus D by 2 minus cos C will be as it is it okay? The next thing, now we will convert this A plus B into C, right. What is A plus B? What is the relationship? That is A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Then can I write A plus B as 180 minus C, isn't it? I can write, right. And here we have by 2 again, by 2 by 2, it becomes A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 is 90 minus C by 2, isn't it? Which means, can I write instead of A plus B by 2, can I write it as 2 cos of 90 minus C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2, isn't it? Yes or no? The next step, what is cos of 90 minus theta? That is nothing but sin C by 2, isn't it? Yes or no? Right? Yes. Then do we have any formula of sin C by 2? Here it is cos C, right. Do I have any formula of sin C by 2? Yes, we have, right. That is nothing but cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. That is, here can I write this cos C as 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2, right. I can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2, isn't it? I can write, right. Now, let us multiply everything. This will become 2 sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Let us multiply this minus inside. This will become minus 1 minus 2 minus plus 2 sin square C by 2, right. Now, if you observe, can I take this 2 sin C by 2 common from both the terms? I can take, right. Now, let us see, that is 2 sin C by 2 into, here what is left, cos of A minus B by 2 here plus sin C by 2 minus 1, is it okay? Here it is the minus 1, here it is 2 sin C by 2 is taken common, the left is cos A minus B by 2, here 2 is removed, sin C by 2 is removed, the left is sin C by 2, isn't it? Now, the next step, here it is A minus B, right. Similarly, this C also should be in terms of A minus B, isn't it? Can I write this? Okay, let us write it again. C can be written as 180 minus of A plus B. I can write, right. See here, here it is C by 2. It has to be C by 2 whole divided by 2. Therefore, C by 2 can be written as 90 minus A plus B divided by 2. This is one formula, this is one, and this is one, right. See here, can I write C by 2 as 90 minus of A plus B by 2? Yes, we can write. Let us substitute it in there. 2 sin C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 plus sin of, what is C by 2? C by 2 is nothing but 90 minus of A plus B by 2, isn't it? Do not get confused with the brackets. This is A plus B by 2 ka bracket, that is sin, and the square bracket is outside one, is it okay? Now, this will become as 2 sin C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2, sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta, right. that is cos of a plus b by 2 minus 1, right. If you observe, is this not in the form of cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b? Is it right? Now let us write that step. This is in the form of cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. What is the formula for it? Tell me. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is nothing but 2 cos a cos b. Let us substitute it. That will become 2 sin c by 2 into, let us write it separately. First of all, let us write it as cos of a by 2 plus b by 2 plus cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 minus 1. Okay. See here, which is 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is nothing but 2 cos a cos b minus 1, isn't it? Now let us multiply. 2 2s are 4, let us write this minus 1 in the front, plus 2 2s are 4, let us write it on order, cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. This is what he asked us to prove, right? This is RHS, therefore hence proved, isn't it? This is what he asked us to prove. What are the prerequisites you have to remember? Without the formula you can't do anything. Moreover, you have to remember this cos theta formula also, isn't it? Is it clear for this sum? Okay, shall we move on to the next problem? Let us do. See here, the question given here it is, he is asking us to prove cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay, do not get confused, here everything is given in cos, here everything is given in terms of sin. How to do? Okay, now let us do, that is, let us write cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Do we have any addition of squares? We have only subtractions, that is cos square a minus sin square b or cos square a minus cos square b, such kind of question. Okay. We have cos square a minus sin square b, right, isn't it? Can I change this middle one into sin? We can do, right? Let us do. We will do as 1 minus sin square b by 2 plus, again this is common. Okay. Let us take this one aside. Let us write cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 in one bracket, and let us write this aside. Can we write it? Yes. What is the formula of cos square a minus sin square b? That is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Once again I am telling, if you do not know the formula, we can't do anything. This will become cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, isn't it? Yes or no? Right. Now see here, this will become 1 plus cos of, this will become a plus b divided by 2 into cos of a minus b divided by 2 plus cos square c by 2, right. Now can I convert this a plus b into c? This will be common in most of the problems of last exercise. Can I write this a plus b as 180 minus c? Let us write it here itself. Why to write again in rough, again to substitute it. Okay. What is this 180 minus c? That is nothing but 90 minus c by 2. This will become as sin. So better we will change this cos as 1 minus sin square c by 2 here itself. Okay. This is the common step for most of the last exercise problem. See here, 180 by 2 is 90, 90 minus c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus 1 minus sin square c by 2, isn't it? See, now see here, what is cos of 90 minus c by 2? That is nothing but, what is it? Sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus 1 minus sin square c by 2, right. Can I take sin c by 2 common from both these terms? And 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Let us write it. This will become 2 plus, here sin c by 2 is common. Let us take sin c by 2 as common. What is the left out term here? That is cos of a minus b by 2. Cos of a minus b by 2. Here sin square c, sin square c by 2 we have taken sin c by 2 as common. The left is normal sin c by 2. Is it okay? The same step which we did in the last problem, that is we will change the c as, what we will do? We will change the c as 180 minus a plus b, isn't it? Did we do the same thing in the last problem also? Yes, that is 2 plus sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin of 180 by 2 is 90, 90 minus of a plus b by 2, isn't it? What is sin of 90 minus theta? That is nothing but, what is it? Here it is cos of a minus b by 2 minus, here it is cos of sin 90 minus theta is, sin of 90 minus theta is cos a plus b by 2. Now see here, if you observe, what is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b? That is nothing but 2 sin a sin b, right? This is nothing but 2 sin a and sin b, isn't it? Let us write everything in an order. This will become 2 plus 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Can I take 2 common from both the terms? Yes, we can write. This will become 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Are we getting the same thing? Right? This is nothing but RHS. Hence proof. Is it clear? Once again, what are the prerequisites for this problem? Right? There is nothing new. Almost all from here we have did the same thing. Changing this c term, changing it into 1 plus a plus b. Most of the thing is same, isn't it? Yes or no? Is it clear? Without formula we can't do any of these problems. Shall we move on to the next problem? Let us see. The question given here, it is cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2 is equal to 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2, right? See here, again there is a negative sign. What to do this kind of problem? For this problem, let us change this both term into sines. Okay, shall we do? Let us do now. See here, let us change, let us keep this first term as it is. Let us change this as 1 minus sin square b by 2. Let us change this also as 1 minus sin square c by 2. Is it okay? Now see here, this will become cos square a by 2 plus 1 minus sin square b by 2. Let us multiply this minus inside. Minus 1 minus 2 minus plus sin square c by 2. If you observe, see here, here 1 and minus 1 are getting cancelled. Now let us take this sin square b minus sin square c by 2, that is cos square a by 2. Let us take minus common from these two. This will become sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2, isn't it? What is the formula of sin square a minus sin square b? Do you have? What is it? Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, that is cos square a by 2 minus, this can be written as sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, isn't it? Let us simplify it again. Again we are getting into the same path. If you observe here, this will become sin of b plus c by 2 into sin of b minus c by 2. right? Again same, can we change b plus c by 2? Yes, we can write b plus c by 2 as 180 minus, let us write it here, this can be written as sine of 180 minus a whole divided by 2. Is that okay? What is 180 minus a? 180 by 2 is 90, this will become 90 minus a by 2. Now let us write, this will become cos square a by 2 minus, this is sine of 180 by 2 is 90 minus a by 2 into sine of b minus c by 2. Is it clear? What is sine of 90 minus theta? That is nothing but cos theta, right? This is cos square a by 2 minus, this is cos of a by 2 into sine of b minus c by 2. Is it right? The same thing, what can we take here as common? Cos a by 2. This is, if I take cos a by 2 common, this will become cos a by 2 minus sine of b minus c by 2. The same step, what we will write this a as? We can write a as 180 minus of b plus c, this is 180 minus of b plus c whole divided by 2 minus sine of b minus c by 2. Is it okay? Now see here, what this will become? Again 180 by 2 is 90, cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but sine b plus c by 2 minus sine b minus c by 2. Is it right? What is the question given? Cos A cos B sin C by 2. Let us check whether we are getting it or not. That is cos A by 2 into sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. What is it? That is nothing but 2 cos A sin B, right? 2 cos A sin B. Is it right? Let us write everything in order. That will become 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Are we getting the same? Cos cos sin cos cos sin. Yes, we are getting right. Therefore, this is nothing but RHS, hence proved. Is it clear? Are you able to understand this kind of problems, right? What is that we have did? Only thing is what to convert in the first step. If you practice again and again, you definitely get how to do that. And the second most thing is you have to remember how to convert based on the question, either b plus c into a or a plus b into c or whatever, right. These two things are common. We will take the one of the terms as common in the first space and again we will convert this single into two numbers, that is either b plus c or a plus b or whatever. Isn't it? Yes or no? Is it clear? Let us have few more problems of this kind of things in the next session. Is it okay? Fine. That's for today. Let us have more questions of transmission in the next session. Okay. Thank you.